हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल महाराष्ट्र नौकरी। सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप बीएससी सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट हो और आपकी एग्ज़ाम है तो एज अ पॉइंट ऑफ एग्ज़ाम एक क्लास बहुत ही शानदार और जोरदार रहने वाली है। ओके, सो बीएससी फोर्थ सेमिस्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर विद एमसीक्यू पैटर्न। सब्जेक्ट है हमारा केमिस्ट्री वन एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। ओके, सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर है, इंस्ट्रक्शन है, ए मॉक टेस्ट है फ्रेंड्स। इसमें इस क्वेश्चन कैरी 2 मार्क्स रहेंगे। ओके, एंड नंबर 2 इंस्ट्रक्शन इज दैट मार्क्स द करेक्ट आंसर among all 4 questions. Only one option is correct, and you know very well. Okay, so let's start the questions. Now the question number 1, friends. The difference between double salt and complex is the correct answer is, friends, option number A, that is double salt loses its identity while complex retain its identity in solution. This one is correct answer. Now question number 2. The formula of dichlorobis, that is ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion, is. So friends, the formula of dichlorobis, that is ethylene diamine, okay, cobalt 3 ion is. So option number B is correct answer, friends. Option number B is correct answer. Now question number 3. According to Werner theory of coordination compound, the complex is, that is tetra amino cobalt plus 2 produces how many moles of the silver chloride by silver nitrate solutions? The option 2 is correct answer. That is 2 moles. 2 moles is correct answer. Now question number 4. The effective atomic number of cobalt in, that is hexacyanocobaltate, is what? The effective atomic number of cobalt is, that is 37. Now question number 5. According to valence bond theory, the sp3 types of hybridization produces the geometry of complex known as. Option number B is correct answer, that is tetragonal pyramidal. Question number 6. For D6 configurations, the hexafluoroferrate produces the geometry of which types? So hexafluoroferrate produces the outer orbital octahedral complex. Now question number 7. Bis diamino propanato cobalt 3 ion form a chelate with. The option number B is correct answer, that is the 2 coordinate and 1 covalent bond. Now next questions. Question number 8. The greater stability associated with chelated complex is known as chelate effect, which depends on the which of the following factors? So friends, option number A is correct answer. Number of ring and size of the ring. Okay. Now next questions. Question number 9. In chelate, that is cobalt of ethylene diamine tetraacetate. We know ethylene diamine tetraacetate is the multidentate ligand. Okay, and then the ethylene diamine tetraacetate forms the type of bonding with cobalt R. So friends, option number B, that is 4 covalent and 2 coordinates bonds form the cobalt of the ethylene diamine tetraacetates. So this one is correct answer. Okay. Now next question, friends. The question number 10. The complex of cobalt NH3 of Br. Okay. So that is penta amino. Oh, okay. Penta amino 1 bromo, that is sulfates, and that is penta amino cobalt sulfate cobalt, okay, as isomers of each other, and the type is what? So the option number A, that is ionization isomer, is the correct answer, friends. That's why ionization option number 1 is correct answer. Now next questions. Question number 11, that is, okay, that type of complex with example of that exists in cis and trans isomers of which? So friends, so given a complex is that, okay, given complex is that, and type of the complex with, that is diethylene diamine, Okay, ethylene diamine. So and dichloro is cobalt. Exists in cis and trans isomer, of which cis isomers exhibits the optical isomer. That's why option number A is correct answer. Now next questions. Question number 12. The complex compounds of cobalt, that is cobalt. Okay. So dichloroethylene diamine cobalt exhibits cis and trans isomers with octahedral geometry. Hence, coordinate number of its complex is, the coordinate number of its complex is, friends, option number B, that is 6 is correct answer. Okay. Now next question, question number 13. The redox reactions in which the oxidation number of an element increase as well as decreases simultaneously is known as, so option number B, that is disproportional reactions is correct answer. Okay, so disproportional reactions is correct answer. Now question number 14, that is given reaction is that, okay, here is a oxygen molecule, here is a plus 0.70 volt, and H2O, that is hydrogen peroxide is required, so form the H2O. So this reaction is called, that is Latimer diagram for oxygen. This reaction shows the Latimer diagram for oxygen. Now next question, friends, question number 15. Frost diagram of for nitrogen in acidic medium provides a qualitative information about. Again, I will repeat question number 15. Frost diagram for nitrogen in acidic medium provides a qualitative information about. So option number 1, that is a relative stability of oxidation states on nitrogen in acidic medium. This one is correct answer. Okay. Now we can jump the next question, friends. That is question number 16. Okay. So question number 16 क्या बोल रहा है? The metal ion in the solution gets reduced and gets deposited on the metal rod by gaining electrons. As a result, the metal gets positively charged cathodes is known as the electronations. So option number A is correct answer, friends. Okay, option number A is correct answer, not a C. Okay, not a C. Option number A is correct answer. Not. Now question number 17. The Beers-Lambert law is obeyed for, that is option A is only colored solution, option B is colored and colorless solution, option C only colorless solution, and option D none of the above. So friends, जो Beers Lamberts ला होता है ऑब्वियस होता है color and colorless solution. That's why option number B is correct answer. That is colored and colorless solution. Now next question, question number 18. For unit concentration and unit thickness of light absorbing solution, the following reactions invalid. A is equal to optical density and molar extinction coefficient. So that is the option number A. A is equal to optical density and this is equal to molar extinction coefficient. So option number A is correct answer, friends. Option number A is correct answer. Okay. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक बटन को हिट कीजिएगा और सब्सक्राइब इस लाल वाले बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिएगा. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 फ्रेंड्स, रिगार्डिंग फोर्स आर एफ. ओके, रिटेंशन फैक्टर होता है, यू नो वेरी वेल. सो रिगार्डिंग फोर्स आर एफ, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट आंसर, as a ratio of distance traveled by a compounds and solvents. Now next questions, question number 20. That is properties of the ion exchange region are determined by what? So friends, properties of ion exchange regions are determined by option number B, that is the degree of cross linking is correct answer. Okay, so degree of cross linking, option number B is correct answer. Now question number 21. The temperature at which the internal energy of polymer molecule increases to such an extent that the chain segment of the polymer molecule leave their lattice positions is known as the cross, that is glass transition temperature. Okay, so option number B is correct answer, that is glass transition temperature. Now question number 22. The mixture of CS3 SiCl3, okay, and C6H5SiCl3 are first hydrolyzed following by the condensation from the siloxane linkage. By random condensation develops a polymer known as the silicon resin. Okay, silicon resin is correct answer. Now question number 23. Silicon oil can be used as give a list to uses. Silicon oil can be used as give a list to uses. Okay. So option ही miss है friends. Now we can jump the next questions. Question number 24. Most of the that is cyclotriphosphagens have the planar structures. Okay, mostly cyclotriphosphagens का जो structures होता है friends वो planar structures होता है. Now next questions. The heteromorphic and that is homomorphic that is NP of phi of p pi minus d pi bonding p pi minus d pi bonding with d orbitals is studied by the that is Dewars model. So option number A is correct answer friend. That is Dewars model, option number correct answer. Now next question friends. Okay, ये हमारे टॉप 25 क्वेश्चन थे. इसका हाफ पार्ट अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है फ्रेंड्स. अगर आपको वीडियो जोरदार दमदार लग रही है तो अभी लाइक बटन को हिट कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिएगा. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स. That is these questions. Okay, so according to valence bond theory, the dsp2 type hybridization produces the geometry of the complex is dsp2. So friends, option number A, that is square planar, is correct answer. Okay, now next questions. So question number 7. For d6 configurations, the hexacyanoferrate produces the geometry of which type? That is option number A, that is inner orbital octahedral complex, is correct answer. Okay, now next question friends, that is question number 8. So bis diamino propanato cobalt 3 ions forms a chelate with option number B, that is the 2 coordinate and 1 covalent bond, is correct answer. Now question number 9. The greater stability associated with chelated complex is known as chelate effect, which depends on the following factors. That is option number C, the number of rings and size of the ring, is correct answer. Okay, now question number 10. Ethylene diamine tetraacetate with a -4 charge is, that is option number B, hexadentate ligand, is correct answer. Okay, so ethylene diamine tetraacetate is known as a hexadentate ligand. This one is should be the correct answer. Now question number 11. Okay, so the complex this and this, okay, are isomers of each other and is type of ionization isomers. That is option number A is correct answer. Okay, now question number 12. The complex of the compounds of this and this which have the ambidentate ligands are known as the that is linkage isomers. Ambidentate ligands, you know ambidentate ligand very well in a given complex. So that particular complex compounds contain ambidentate ligands, and that's why the complete process is linkage isomer. Now next question, question number 13. Square planar complex of dash is a square planar complex is a cis and trans isomer belongs to, that is Ma2B2 types. Option number C is correct answer. Now next questions, question number 14, that is M of AA, okay, of 2A2 type of complex with the example of, that is the that is diethylene diamine and dichloro cobalt exists in cis and trans isomer. So option number A, cis and trans exhibits, should be the correct answer. Now next questions, question number 15. The complex compound diethylene, okay, diethylene diamine, that is dichlorocobalt, exhibits cis and trans isomer with octahedral geometry. Hence the coordination number of this complex is, that is option number B is correct answer, 6. Now next questions, question number 16. The redox reactions in which the oxidation number of the element increases as well as decreases simultaneously is known as that is disproportional reactions. That's why option number B is correct answer. The disproportional answer should be the correct answer. Okay, now next questions, question number 17, that is Latimer diagram. Okay, that is the reactions, and in that reactions contain option number C is correct answer, that is Latimer diagram for oxygens. Okay, if you require that particular type of diagrams in your exams, so you can just simple tick the option number C, that is Latimer diagram for oxygen. Okay, now next questions. The first diagram for nitrogen in acidic medium provides a qualitative information about the option number A, that is a relative stability of the complex states. Okay, complex states on nitrogen in acidic medium. So option number A is correct answer. Now next question friends, that is question number 19. The diagram of Fe which that is depict the stability ranges in term of potential and pH for species, that is Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Fe OH up 2 and Fe OH up 3 is the option number B, that is Poraviex diagram. Option number B is correct answer. Okay, now next questions, question number 20. The metal ion in the solution, the solution gets reduced and gets deposited on the metal rod by gaining electrons. As a result, the metal gets positively charged. Cathode is known as, that is electronation. Okay, so option number A is correct answer, not C. Okay, now question number 21. The B.S. Lambert's law is obeyed for the colored and colorless solution. Repeat why questions. Now question number 22. B.S. law is limited to only dilute solution. ये repeat नहीं हुआ है. Okay, so option number C is correct answer. B.S. law is limited to only dilute solution. Now question number 23. Okay, that is the unit concentrations and unit thickness of light absorbing solution, the following reactions invalid, that is option number A is correct answer friend, molar extinction coefficient. Okay, now next question friends, question number 24. The value of the molar extinction coefficient depends on all of the above, that means nature of absorbing substance and solvent, wavelength of incident light and temperature. Okay, so question number, option number D is correct answer. Now question number 25. The choice of paper in chromatography does not depends on the shape. Okay, so these are depends on the net strength of the paper, flow rate and thickness, but does not depends on the shape. Now next question, that is retarding force RF is the ratio of distance traveled by the compounds and solvent. Repeat why. Okay, which of the following is an increasing polarity of the solvent? So increasing polarity of the solvent, petroleum ether is less than carbon tetrachloride, is less than chloroform and less than water. That means the increasing polarity of the solvent mainly higher in water. Okay, so mainly higher किसकी रहेगी, water की रहेगी. That's why that sequence is correct answer. Now question number 28. Properties of ion exchange regions are determined by, that is degree of cross linking is correct answer. Option number B should be the correct answer friends. Okay, now next questions, question number 29. The equilibrium distribution coefficients is not influenced by, option number A temperature and pressure is correct answer. Now question number 30. The exchange capacity of the anion exchanger generally increase with the decrease of pH. Option number B is correct answer. Okay, now question number 31. The temperature at which the internal energy of polymer molecule increases to such an extent that the chain segment of the polymer molecule leave their lattice position is known as glass transition temperature. That's why option number B is correct answer. Now question number 32. In IUPAC name is that is okay, is what? That is polysiloxane. The IUPAC name of that complex is polysiloxane is correct answer. Okay. Now question number 33. A mixture of CH3, SiCH3 and C6H5 that is Cl3 are first hydrolyzed followed by the condensation form that is silicon. By random condensation develops a polymer known as a silicon resin. Okay, now question number 34. Silicon oil can be used as anti-foaming agent. Option B car polishes. Option C making lipstick and shampoos, and option D all of the above. So silicon oil can be used as all of the above. Option number D is correct answer. Now question number 35. Preparation of silicon rubber mainly involves two steps to form a linear polymer of high molar mass and tensile strength, which includes the option number C, that is compounding and cross should be the correct answer. Okay, compound and that is compounding and cross. Now question number 36. Most of the carbohydrates have option number E is correct answer, that is a planar structures. Okay, so most of the carbohydrates, that is not carbohydrate, that is cyclotriphosphagens. Most of the cyclotriphosphagens is have a planar structures. Okay, planar structure, this is my mistakes. Okay, not a cyclo, that is cyclotriphosphagen. Okay, now question number 37, that is phosphonitrile chloride. Phosphonitrile chloride is used as a starting material of many phosphagens because option number B, it is suitable solvent and produce many polymers is correct answer. Okay, now next question friends, question number 38. On heating, the chlorophosphagens are transformed into an elastomeric material is known as option number A, inorganic, that is inorganic rubber is correct answer. Now next question, question number 39 friends, and this one is the second last question in this class. So the heteromorphic and that is homomorphic NP and Pi minus d5 bonding between the d orbitals is studied by the Debord's model. So option number A is correct answer friends. Okay, option number A is correct answer. Now next question, question number 40, and this one is the last question in this class. Okay, if you guys अगर लाइक बटन को हिट नहीं किया तो लाइक बटन को हिट कीजिएगा, अगर न्यू हो चैनल पे तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिएगा. ओके, सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, द रिंग ओपनिंग ऑफ NpCl2O3 occurred by heating in sealed tube at the 250 degree Celsius. Okay friends, so option number B, option number which one? So friends, option number that is B is correct answer, 250 degree Celsius. Okay, 250 degree Celsius option is correct answer. Now this is the most and most important MCQ, that is हमने लगभग 70 MCQ डिस्कस किए 40 कहकर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो आपको वीडियो कैसे लगी कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएगा. अगर आपको न्यू और वीडियो चाहिए तो भी कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएगा. ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.